split bus and of course the 61 Beetle. Today, like or subscribe if you want to help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Today I have a problem. I pulled the bus out and I was just driving it around, and all of a sudden the horn just started going off, just blanket going off. So I was looking to see what the problem was. So I went under here where I have my horn, and here's the horn right here. And if I connect, let's see, I have this guy here. If I connect this to the let's see where that is. Yeah, here it is. If I connect this, the horn was just going off, and I was like, well, what was going on? So I looked in here and I noticed when I pull this off, this wire here is what is supposed to connect, and it was just sitting loose, and it's supposed to connect in to the back side of this, and this is what then grounds it. When you press it, it'll ground this basically by pressing this button. So you want to connect the that horn into this little middle thing with a screw, I think. I have to look at that a little closer. But basically what was happening is, if this touches it, if it touches here, see, if this thing, it needs to only touch this and not, it was just like wiggling around there. So this wire here, if you look at it, it's super old. This is like probably the original wire. So what I decided I'm gonna do, because if you look down here, this wire, it comes out of here, and then I had to patch it here, and then I connected to this green wire, and then it goes here and connects to that. So what I decided I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull through a new wire. So I got this guy here, and this will be my connector. So let me start attaching it, and I'm gonna pull through the new wire so that I can get this horn working well. All right, so my best approach here is, so the wire has to hook into here, and there's a little mini screw on the side, you can probably see. So I have this, and I can tighten that down, and what I need to do is get this wire into that and then pulled down. So what I'm going to do, what I decided first, is I'm going to strip this and pull it in from the inside. So I'll first strip this wire. Now I go in and I just want to pull it through. So what I'm going to do is connect it to this one. Let's see if I can get the camera so that I can see anything at all here. Alright, so what I've done is I took the new wire and I attached it to the old wire here, and I pulled this thing up back like that so that it should be able to slide through. Now I'm gonna try to see if it'll pull all the way through. So let's go down and try it. I freed up enough wire so that it should come through. Alright, so I got it through. Of course it was touching things, and that makes the horn go off. But this has to then go through here and back around to there, so let's have plenty of wire here. And then I have to connect the top to the horn bracket. The bottom has to connect to this right here. So I get this horn bracket, my wire stripper, and I'm going to just take this wire here, So now I should be able to just take this, make sure that that is fed all the way down. So push the wire down through, and steering wheel, that's right side up here. Put this down like this. Okay. So there we go. Why did that work? Oh, it's still connected. It's still connected to the old wire. That was a mystery why that would still work. So this wire here comes out. It's a nice new wire. This wire here I can get rid of. So let's see what this looks like here. So the wire I'm replacing is the green one. Comes up through here, connects to this. So this is garbage now. And what I have to connect it to, pull that out. So I got to connect this wire here, which really needs to go through there, up through here, and about to there. So this is about the length I need. Alright, so I happen to have a tiny little grommet here. So I'm going to see if I can get that into the hole. That's not a piece I ordered or anything for this, but I think that might help me as far as, I don't think any water will get up in there anyway, but it's a wire. It's always good to have a little grommet. So, got a little tiny grommet where that comes out. Seems to be pretty much in. And now I'll just wire it up. Alright, so that's not coming off. So I just go back around here. And on the back of the horn, just have to connect this one right into here. So that's on there. Comes around here. New wire goes up. Let's just see if the horn works now. So, with the brand new wire, works great. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed new horn wire replacement, and remember to subscribe if you want to help me get to 1,000 subscribers. All right, thanks.